Most people are not poor because they lack intelligence. They are poor because they move slowly, they hesitate, they wait for permission, they wait for certainty, they wait for the perfect moment. And while they wait, faster men take everything. Machiavelli understood something brutal about power and wealth. Speed is domination. The world does not reward the most moral. It does not reward the most patient. It does not reward the most educated. It rewards the one who moves first, strikes decisively, and adapts faster than everyone else. Before we go any further, understand this. This channel is not for everyone. It is for those who want speed, power, and control over their money. If that's you, subscribe now, not later, and write speed in the comments. That comment is a signal to yourself and to those who understand that hesitation keeps people poor. If you want to make money faster than everyone else, you must first understand a painful truth. Money flows toward boldness, not fairness. Most people are trained to be slow. School teaches obedience. Jobs teach dependency. Society teaches you to fear mistakes more than poverty. So you learn to overthink. You learn to ask. You learn to wait, but the market does not wait. While you analyze, someone acts. While you doubt, someone sells. While you seek reassurance, someone takes risk. Speed creates asymmetry. Asymmetry creates profit. The man who moves fast does not need to be smarter. He only needs to be earlier. Machiavelli warned that fortune favors the audacious, not because they are lucky, but because they impose their will before resistance forms. Most people try to make money by being perfect. The powerful make money by being first. Perfection is slow. Speed is ugly. Speed is chaotic. Speed is misunderstood. But speed wins. To move fast, you must detach emotionally from comfort. Comfort makes you cautious. Caution makes you late. Fear disguises itself as logic. I need more information. I'm not ready yet. I'll start when conditions are better. These are not rational thoughts. They are fear speaking politely. Machiavelli would call this weakness. Power does not wait for ideal conditions. Power creates conditions. If you want money faster, you must act before you feel ready. Readiness is a lie invented by the insecure. The fastest earners are not confident, they are decisive. Confidence comes after movement, not before. Another secret, speed requires moral flexibility. Those who cling to rigid moral identities move slower. They argue internally. They hesitate. They self-sabotage. Machiavelli understood that morality is a luxury of the slow. This does not mean becoming evil. It means becoming adaptable. You must be willing to test offers that might fail. Launch before perfection, sell before certainty, charge before validation. Most people want permission to win. There is no permission. Money moves toward initiative. The first sale is rarely elegant. The first product is rarely beautiful. The first move is rarely comfortable. But it is fast. Speed also requires emotional coldness. Desperation slows you down. Neediness clouds judgment. Attachment creates hesitation. The man who needs money too badly cannot move fast. He becomes reactive, predictable, weak. The fastest earners treat money like a game, not survival. They experiment, they observe, they adjust. They are not afraid to look foolish. They are afraid to be slow. Machiavelli warned that those who fear reputation lose power. Speed often looks reckless to observers. Let them talk. By the time they finish judging, you will have already moved on to the next opportunity. Most people ask, what is the safest way to make money? The powerful ask, what is the fastest feedback loop? Speed is not about rushing blindly. It is about shortening the distance between action and information. You act, you observe, you adapt. Slow people plan endlessly to avoid pain. Fast people accept pain as data. This is why the poor repeat the same year forever, and the rich compress decades into months. To move faster than everyone else, you must also simplify. Complexity slows execution. Too many goals create paralysis. Too many ideas dilute focus. Machiavelli would advise one target at a time, one objective, one direction. When your mind is scattered, your actions weaken. Speed demands clarity. Decide who you are serving. Decide what problem you exploit. Decide how money enters your hands. Then move. Do not ask if it will work. Ask how fast you can test it. The market rewards momentum, not meditation. Another uncomfortable truth. Speed often requires burning bridges, not literally but mentally. You must be willing to abandon identities that no longer serve you. The good student, the nice guy, the responsible one. These identities slow you down. Power belongs to those who can reinvent themselves without guilt. Machiavelli admired adaptability above loyalty. If an opportunity dies, leave it immediately. Do not mourn it. Do not romanticize it. Slow people cling to dead paths because of pride. Fast people drop them without emotion. This emotional detachment is not cruelty. It is efficiency. Money respects efficiency, and speed multiplies everything. A bad idea executed fast teaches more than a good idea executed late. By the time others perfect, you pivot. This is how you outrun them. Speed alone is not enough. Speed without direction leads to chaos. To make money faster than everyone else, you must also understand leverage. Machiavelli knew that raw effort is inferior to strategic positioning. Most people trade time for money. The fast earners trade systems for money. Time is linear. Leverage is exponential. If you rely only on your labor, you are capped. If you rely on systems, you multiply. The fastest money is never made alone. It is made through distribution, attention, networks, other people's effort. Machiavelli understood influence as the ultimate multiplier. The man who controls perception controls outcomes. If people watch you, money follows. If people trust you, money flows faster. This is why visibility accelerates wealth. Most people hide while they prepare. Fast earners publish while they learn. They build in public. They fail in public. They adapt in public. Attention forgives imperfection. Obscurity does not. Money does not chase the best product. It chases the most visible solution. This is not fair. It is real. Speed also requires selective ignorance. Too much information slows execution. Too many opinions weaken resolve. Machiavelli warned against listening to everyone. If you try to satisfy all voices, you move nowhere. Fast men listen to results, not opinions. They ignore the fearful. They ignore the comfortable. They ignore the cautious. They study winners, not crowds. Another principle, money accelerates towards certainty, even false certainty. The man who speaks decisively appears powerful. The man who hesitates appears weak. Most people think confidence comes from knowledge. In reality, confidence comes from commitment. Commitment simplifies choices. Simplified choices speed action. If you want faster money, reduce optionality. Choose one path and attack it fully. Half commitment creates half results. Machiavelli despised indecision more than mistakes. Mistakes can be corrected. Indecision wastes time, and time is the only currency you cannot earn back. Speed also demands discipline, not motivation. Discipline. Motivation fluctuates. Discipline executes regardless of emotion. The fastest earners do not wait to feel inspired. They move because movement itself creates momentum. Emotion follows action. This is why routines create wealth faster than passion. Another harsh truth, you must be willing to disappoint people. Fast movement disrupts expectations. When you change paths quickly, people feel betrayed. When you prioritize speed, people call you selfish. Machiavelli would say, it is better to be criticized than ignored. Approval is slow. Criticism means you are moving. Money rarely comes from pleasing everyone. It comes from serving a specific need intensely. The fastest wealth builders are narrow, not broad. They dominate a small niche before expanding. Most people try to conquer the world first. They fail. Power grows outward, not everywhere. Speed also requires secrecy. Broadcasting plans invites interference. Envy, doubt, sabotage. Machiavelli advised acting quietly until success is undeniable. Move silently, execute loudly. Let results speak. The fastest earners protect their mental environment. They limit negativity. They reduce exposure to fear-driven narratives. They curate inputs. Your environment controls your speed. Fear-based environments slow you down. Opportunity-based environments accelerate you. Finally, understand this. Money moves faster toward those who respect it. Respect means discipline, tracking, control. If you treat money emotionally, it escapes. If you treat it strategically, it multiplies. Fast earners separate ego from finances. They do not spend to impress. They spend to accelerate. They reinvest aggressively. They compound attention. They compound skills. This is why they seem to get lucky. Luck favors velocity. Machiavelli would conclude that fortune is like a river. It floods those who hesitate, but serves those who build channels. Be the man who builds channels. Move before certainty. Adapt without regret. Detach from comfort. Leverage attention. Execute relentlessly. Speed is power, and power creates money faster than anything else. If you want to win late, follow rules. If you want to win early, move first. That is the law Machiavelli never wrote, but always lived by. There is one final truth most people never accept. Speed creates enemies. The moment you start moving faster than others, resistance appears. Criticism, doubt, mockery, subtle sabotage. This is not a sign you are wrong. It is proof you are ahead. Machiavelli understood that rapid ascent threatens existing hierarchies. Slow systems hate fast movers. When you make money faster than everyone else, you expose their excuses. And people protect excuses aggressively. So you must learn to move without asking for understanding. Explanation slows you down. Justification weakens authority. The fastest men do not explain their path. They let outcomes end the conversation. Another secret of speed. You must detach from fairness. Life is not balanced in real time. Effort and reward are delayed, unevenly. Most people slow themselves down by waiting for justice. They want validation before victory. Machiavelli would laugh at this. Power is taken, not approved. The man who waits to be recognized stays invisible. The man who acts first becomes undeniable. Speed also requires tolerance for loneliness. Fast movement separates you from the crowd. Old friends cannot follow. Family may not understand. Peers feel uncomfortable. This isolation is not punishment. It is positioning. The crowd moves at the pace of its slowest member. To move fast, you must sometimes move alone. Another uncomfortable rule: you cannot make fast money with a slow identity. If you still see yourself as trying, learning, hoping, you will act accordingly. Fast earners decide who they are first. Then they align behavior. Identity precedes income. If you identify as a builder, you build daily. If you identify as a seller, you sell relentlessly. If you identify as a strategist, you observe patterns others miss. Indecision about identity creates hesitation in action. Machiavelli believed men should shape themselves like weapons, designed for a specific function. Undefined men are inefficient. Speed also demands ruthless prioritization. Not everything deserves your attention. Not everyone deserves your energy. Fast earners say no more than they say yes. They eliminate distractions aggressively. They protect focus violently. Every unnecessary conversation costs momentum. Every pointless debate drains clarity. Speed is fragile. Protect it. Another principle: money accelerates toward those who act without emotional noise. Anger clouds judgment. Excitement causes recklessness. Fear causes paralysis. The fastest men operate from calm intensity. They are not rushed. They are precise. Machiavelli admired cold execution more than emotional courage. Emotion feels powerful. Control is powerful. To move faster than everyone else, you must also shorten recovery time. You will fail. You will lose money. You will misjudge situations. The difference is not failure. It is how long you stay down. Slow people collapse emotionally. Fast people adjust mechanically. They ask one question: what did this teach me? Then they move again. No drama. No identity crisis. No self-pity. Speed depends on resilience, not optimism. Finally, understand this: making money fast is not about greed. It is about control over time. Money buys distance from chaos. Distance creates clarity. Clarity multiplies power. The faster you gain financial leverage, the sooner you stop being reactive. Machiavelli believed true power was the ability to choose calmly. Poverty removes choice. Speed restores it. This is why hesitation is dangerous. Every delay extends dependence. If you want to move faster than everyone else, decide today. Move before you are confident. Sell before you are comfortable. Act before you are approved. Detach before you are understood. The world does not slow down for potential. It responds to force. And force, applied intelligently, is speed. Those who master speed do not chase money. Money rushes to keep up with them. That is how power is built. Quietly, quickly, and without apology. If this message changed how you see money, then don't stay silent. Subscribe to this channel, because what comes next goes even deeper. This is where slow thinking dies. And in the comments write, "I move first." Because the man who moves first does not ask for permission, he takes it.